Now, I want to see the maximum salary paid in each department. Let us accomplish that in a single query using a subquery. Select salary, department name from employees, join departments on employee department ID equals to departments department ID. This query brings us the salary and department name of all the employees. Here I am joining the employees table with departments table on department ID columns. Now I am going to write a SQL where this SQL would be a subquery of that. So basically I will tell that SQL to select from this SQL's result. So instead of specifying a table name in the from class, I am specifying a subquery which is this, whose result will act as a data source in the from class. Let me run it. Okay, so this is an example of using a subquery in the from class. Thank you for watching.